Today, magsa-sound tripping tayo guys. And I have here on my table tatlong Tronsmart na speaker. Bluetooth speaker, outdoor speaker, and most of them are yung mga sounds na feel ko would be rocking. Lalo na magpapasko na, dadalhin natin for outdoor, for overnight, and for tripping. Lalo na kung maybe dadalhin mo out of the country, depende sa inyo kung saan yung gusto dalhin. Basta okay siya, perfect for outdoor usage. Now, i-prepare natin together with my all-new Tecno Pova 4 na alam natin this one, price at $7,999, is definitely okay for gaming. But this time around, itatry natin makipag-jamming together with these speakers. We'll be playing some music and of course, itatry din natin mag-gaming dito. Let's go! Hi guys, I'm si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So right now, kita natin all of these speakers here on my table. So the Tronsmart I have here is the Tronsmart na T7 Mini. It's a IPX7 na speaker, so definitely it's waterproof. Meron siyang rhythm-driven light snow. So may ilaw siya and up to 18 hours of playing back time. So inside this package, we have the speaker itself, Type-C cable, aux cable, user manual, and warranty card. Then we also have this one, si Tronsmart na T7. Ito siguro yung kuya niya. And it has a thumping 360-degree sound. So surround sound siya. Definitely it's going to be rock-rockan talaga to, no? So extraordinary stereo surround and intuitive volume wheel. Uy, mukhang okay to. IPX7 waterproof. So inside the box, we have the unit itself, warranty card, Type-C cable, sound pulse card, user manual, and lanyard. And last but not the least, meron tayong Groove 2 na waterproof outdoor speaker. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, lahat to pang outdoor. So kahit umulan, bumagyo, walang problema. So meron siyang powerful stereo surround, vibrant light modes, and crafted design. And inside the box, andyan ang kanyang unit, Type-C cable, aux cable, user manual, warranty card, and of course, ang carabiner. So let's quickly unbox. So yun guys, nakita niyo na quickly na unbox na natin itong tatlong speaker natin. So I have here is the T7 Mini, the T7, and si Groove 2. Pagdating sa design, no, medyo natutuwa ako dito kay T7 Mini. Mukha lang siyang granada, no? Ang cute. So si T7 Mini, we can see na dito iilaw to. So try na natin on, no? Isa-isa i-prepare natin sa ating Tecno Pova na version 4. So yeah, try natin. Check natin yung sounds nito, no? Gano'ng kalakas. So, kita natin, no, nag-iibang ka ng kulay. Definitely, it's very attractive. Especially pag nag-night jamming kayo, no? Okay na okay ito. And of course, ang Tronsmart na logo is being embossed dito sa labas. It's rubberized. And sa ilalim ito ang base niya. So, magandang grip nito definitely. And this is the port niya kung saan ka mag-charge. And of course, andyan may memory card slot siya, Type-C port, and of course, aux cable. So, tinatakpan natin to para hindi pasukan ng ulan, tubig. So, yeah, kita natin yung ganda ng kanang kulay. So, you have here is yung button niya para mag-ilaw o hindi mag-ilaw. Yeah, depende sa inyo po. You can turn off the lights. So, this is the power button. This is the play button, plus minus. So, this is the LED light. So, right now, it's on pairing mode. And so, this is my Pova 4. Drop down lang natin. Turn on natin si Bluetooth. Let's just put it to search mode. So, kita natin dito, we have the Tronsmart T7 Mini. So, connect lang natin. Pairing is easy, definitely. So, just pair it lang. Simple lang. Okay, so paired na siya. So, right now, we are active with 80% battery na factory charge. E makita mo rin dito sa kanyang icon sa ibabaw, no, na connected siya and meron siyang battery indicator din sa ibabaw. Okay, first things first, try muna natin mag-play ng music dito. Probably we can only play non-copyrighted music dito para hindi tayo mag-demonetize, no? So, just quickly search.
Yo, yeah, we feeling gas. Driving with a turbo, going 100, running flow with her. Riding with my shawty, yeah, I knew I had to flow with her.
Okay, guys, so napakinggan nyo na playing non-copyrighted music dito on YouTube. And I can say na medyo pag nung sinagad-sagad ko siya, no, nakakabingi siya. So right now, guys, ito try na natin yung mas malaking kuya niya, which is the T7. So, andito kanyang power button, ang kanyang back and forward na button. Then, of course, nandito kanyang play button. Then, ang kanyang SP button, which is the sound pulse. Alamin natin kung ano yun. No? Then, ito, pwede natin open to. This is where you can charge, Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang micro USB. The only thing that's missing here is kanyang audio jack. Now, Ang kanyang volume ring is nandito. So, pag in-on mo at nakailaw siya, this is what you can see, RGB. Pag naka-on ng sound pulse, turn over to the right, plus, turn over to the left is minus. Now, alamin natin kung anong sound pulse. No? So, sound pulse, basically, it's a Tronsmart na patented algorithm and upgraded version of DSP technology which works alongside a customized chip and larger power chamber. With this combination of advanced engineering and sophisticated software, Tronsmart Sound Pulse technology delivers more balanced, more detailed, and more defined audio. And this one can play back up to 12 hours. So right now, kinonect natin si T7 dito. Meron siyang 50% battery na factory charge. So right now, we'll just give it a quick gaming tour dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. Sagad natin ng volume para ma-enjoy natin ng husto. Sa entrance pa lang, ang lakas na ng sound. Guys, we're in for a treat dito. Ayan guys, nakita na natin gaano kaganda ang sound tripping when you have the T7. Grabe guys, I'm sitting in front, siguro less than a meter away from the T7 and sumasakit ang tenga ko. Sinagad ko para mapakinggan natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sound and definitely it did blow me away. So sobrang ganda na kanyang sound. It has 360 degrees na surround. Definitely, it's a very nice Bluetooth, outdoor Bluetooth speaker to bring, especially when you're the type of person na mahilig sa on the go and love to watch videos, movies with your friends. You can simply use this one. T7, it's going to give you one of those great experience when listening to music. So right now, turn off uli natin to para i-pair natin doon sa final na device natin. So, okay, with this one turned off. Try lang natin si Groove 2. So, nag-turn on na si Groove 2 and kita natin ang kanyang RGBs andito sa likod. And though hindi lang siya ganong kalakasan as compared dito sa dalawa, but siguro pag medyo madilim, I'm pretty sure na mas maliwanag to ng konti. So, on top, we have the power button, plus minus the volume, then of course, ang play button. And nandito, nakatago ang kanyang Type-C port, micro SD na card slot, and of course, ang kanyang audio jack. Sa ilalim, you can mount this sa any tripod na gusto nyo para hindi siya gumalaw. Definitely, okay. This is a very nice na technology. Sa ilalim, pwede mo i-mount sa any tripod na gusto nyo with the corresponding na pin. Sa ilalim, pwede mo i-mount to sa tripod with the corresponding na pin na kailangan mo dito. So, definitely, this is going to be a nice, especially for me, this one is going to perfectly go together with any portable na, let's say, yung projector, outdoor projector. This is going to be a nice addition, lalo sa sound. So, we have the Groove 2 here. Pair natin. Pair. That's easy. Meron siya 40% na default factory charge. So right now, we're going to just simply watch a video natin ng Pova 4. So panoorin nyo to guys, Tecno Pova 4. Okay, so So yan guys, nakita na ang ganda ng Groove 2 ni Tronsmart. So probably pagdating sa design category, si Groove 2 would look a lot better compared sa dalawa. But of course, I would wish na sana pinalakas nila ang kanyang LED light dito no, to make it look a little bit better. Probably, and compared sa dalawa, mas mahinang RGB nito as compared sa dalawa. But nevertheless, the design is definitely looking a lot better, mas compact dahil square siya. And for me, and pagdating sa design category, I'll probably choose this one if ako. But of course, pagdating sa sounds, the one that has the loudest sound is definitely si T7. But pagdating sa medyo fancy design ng pang Granada, si T7 Mini definitely is a good choice as well. So guys, I presented to you all this one, ang Tronsmart na mga speakers. So we have the T7 Mini, we also have the T7 here, and we also have the Groove 2 over here. So which one would you prefer as your next na Bluetooth outdoor speaker? Comment on the comment section below guys, let me know. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!